Hello, Shamanettes. It's Suzanne, the beauty shaman. With so many dramatic things going on in the world, it helps to focus on what brings joy and love to ourselves and to those around us. With that in mind, last month we created a makeup, no makeup look in the inspirational Pamela Anderson vibe. It is now the holidays, so again with Pascal as our model, we are creating a stunning, elevated holiday look in 5 easy steps. We will add glamour, glitter, and maybe a little red lip gloss tossed in. Having said that, what brings you the most joy during the holidays? Please comment below, because if one thing is true this year, it's that we need each other's support and kindness worldwide. Let's get glamorous. This is Pascal. As the temperatures lower in the Western Hemisphere, our skin becomes drier and in need of hydration. Because of this, I am adding Finlay & Green's Deeply Hydrating Cream, made specifically for postmenopausal skin. It serves as a wonderful base for our holiday makeup so that foundation doesn't crease into fine lines or sit noticeably on the skin. Because we are headed to a party or want to look very polished, foundation and concealer is a must. It's best to stick with light to medium coverage and blend with your fingers or a soft brush for an even distribution. Concealer can easily look heavy on mature skin, so be sure to use a product that doesn't set in fine lines. I'm using amazing concealer on Pascal, on the dark parts under her eyes and a little on her lids. After that, I add contour to add dimension. Be sure to blend it well because contour looks like dirt if it's not carefully blended. Pascal has nice eyebrows, so I'm using Prometics Brow Gel to give them a lift. It's easy to use and has a growth serum on one end and a brow gel on the other. With continued use, it helps to thicken your brows as well as open up your eye area. If you need to fill in your brows, use a matching brow pencil and fill them in as needed. Then I'm taking a cream eyeshadow in a lovely bronze shade called Nebula and blending it all over her lid. To add some depth, I'm using a darker shade on the outer edge and under her eyes. After that, I add a lighter cream shadow called Stardust for the holiday glow. We all love the smudged eyeliner look, but it can be really hard to implement. Using a soft, easy to blend eyeliner pencil that's water repellent, apply it to the outer and inner upper eyeliner between the lashes as much as possible. Then take a brush and smudge the liner outward towards your ears. If you can, add liner to the waterline and to the very outer lower edge of your eye. Don't go too heavy under your eye because it can pull your eye down rather than up. After that, it's all about lash. Use a primer and then a mascara to make your lashes look thicker, longer, and to enhance the little hard-to-reach hairs we sometimes miss. We are going for glam, so feel free to really work the lashes. A huge trend this year is red lips. Having said that, many of us feel that red lipstick is too much for mature skin, and we look for something that is softer but still packs a punch. A great trick is to take any lipstick shade and blend it with lip gloss. This way you can have your cake and eat it too without looking overdone. Gloss doesn't last as long as a matte lipstick, so I recommend putting foundation and powder on your lips before lip liner and gloss. This, as well as filling in with lip liner, helps it to stay on longer. I think we would all agree that the holidays can be a wonderful time to embrace the good in the world, spend time with those we love, and add a little glamour to our makeup. I love Pascal's holiday look and that it makes her and me want to do a twirl in circles. How will you be celebrating this year? What brings you joy? How will you add glitter to your look? Have a fun and glowing holiday from all of us here at 60andMe and The Beauty Shaman. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman, and happy holidays.